again, back with another simple one. Today we're doing just a simple homemade tomato sauce. That's it. Okay, so we have some ground clove, we got some cayenne pepper, sea salt, some basil, some onion powder, some mixed spice, and we have agave, and we have tomatoes. We have some cherry tomatoes here. We've probably got about 20 here. Okay, so spices going in. You spice this up how you want to taste it. If you want it a bit peppery, you put more cayenne pepper. If you want it a bit sweet, you put more sweetness, as in with the agave. But apart from that, you just put a pinch of everything else apart from the pepper and the sweetness. So you put like half a teaspoon of mixed spice. We have a quarter teaspoon of clove. We have a pinch of salt. And we need about a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And then we have a pinch of basil, cayenne. Like I said, I like mine a bit spicy, so I have about half a tablespoon of cayenne. I'll probably go back again and add some more. And then you add your sweetener. So this again is according to how you like it. So I'll just put a bit in there. And then we blend. No water, so just the juice of the tomato, that's all you need. Then we blend. Okay, this is it. We're ready. Okay, so we have a little saucepan on the fire and we're just gonna strain it. Strain it on. Okay, this is it. So you keep on stirring it. You stir it, it's gonna get very thick, very quick. So you just keep on stirring it till it gets red, like proper, as you know, tomato ketchup in the bottle you buy in the shops. So you just keep on stirring it. You taste it to how you like it. You season it again according to how you would like it to taste. And that's it. And that's it. Okay, and now our sauce is ready. It's all gone to room temperature now, so it's gone nice and thick and we're ready to go. And that's it for today. Thank you. We'll see you next time.